In this video, we're going to make a portable weather station that doubles desk accessory. From tracking temperature to humidity, this project covers all, so make sure you watch the whole video. This project requires only three components: an Arduino Uno, you can also use Arduino Nano, a 16 by 2 LCD, and a DHT11 sensor. First, I will program my Arduino. You can find the circuit diagram and the code in the description below. With all our coding done and our materials and tools at the ready, let's dive into building the container and fixing the electronics. Here you can see the cutting is not very neat, but I will fill up the gaps with hot glue gun. So here you can see this is my DHT sensor, here is my Arduino, and this is my potentiometer from which I will control the brightness of my LCD. Well, that was a workout. The connections gave me a run for my money, but I refused to let them defeat me. For those of you who are feeling a bit intermediate by the wiring process, I have some great advice. Consider using I2C module with the LCD or upgrading to a larger container. I'll be using a 9V battery to power my project. Here I have made a small change. I have replaced the 9V adapter with a USB cable. It works great and saves on space. Our portable weather station is now complete and it looks absolutely stunning. With its sleek design and informative feature, it's sure to be a showstopper on any desk or workspace.